Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. I haven't got a project today, but I wanted to do a quick video just thanking everybody for getting me over 1,000 subscribers. And as promised, I'll be doing a giveaway, and I'll be giving away this 5-piece plier set that I showed in the previous video. And this small electric screwdriver and barbecue accessory set, which I also showed in a previous video. If you want to see them in more detail, go back and watch that video. Unfortunately, I'm only willing to post this prize to the UK, mainland Europe and the USA, bearing in mind it might take a few weeks to reach parts of mainland Europe and the USA. But to be in with a chance to win, to do is to write in the comments below which of my videos is your favourite and why. And also be subscribed and leave a like. And just to clarify, I will be announcing the winner on a video and not via email or in the comments, just to prevent any scammers. A totally free competition / giveaway, and I'll be announcing the winner on the 20th of April 2025. Unfortunately, I can't get into my workshop as often as I'd like at the moment, just due to family stuff, but be assured there are plenty of more videos to come. Just not sure exactly when, but there will be more. I think that's everything. I just want to say again, just thank you to everyone that's subscribed and got me past 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. I also want to say another thank you to Rob from the Weekend Shedhead for boosting my subscribe count by mentioning my channel on his channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.